Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vikas Khare. Today we will discuss the basic concept of nodal analysis to find out the current and voltage across the each element. So first we draw the circuit. So in this circuit we are considered two battery source as an active element, one of that current source of 5 ampere and another one voltage source of 10 volt, or the passive element in terms of 2 ohm resistors, 5 ohm resistor, 5 ohm resistor and 1 ohm resistor. So the nodal analysis is depend on the concept of KCL. The concept of KCL is also depend on the or based on the property of conservation of charge. So according to the KCL, the algebraic sum of current at any node is 0. So in the given circuit, it is necessary to identify number of node. And according to the property of node, a point where current is distributed in a different direction. So in a given circuit, first node V1 and another node as a V2 at a point of A and B. So we consider at a point of A and B unknown voltage V1 and V2. Now we develop KCL law in the field of in the circuit in the form of given direction. So here we assess the incoming direction or consider as a I1. Here we consider as a I2, or in this place we identify as a I3. So according to the KCL, the I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. Then we put the value of I1 and I2 and I3 in terms of voltage upon resistance according to the property of Ohm's law. So in the given circuit, the value of I1, so again we reconstruct this equation. I1 is equal to I2 plus I3, because in the given circuit, the 5 ampere current source in the incoming direction with respect to the V1, and I2 and I3 are outgoing direction. So according to the KCL, incoming current is equal to the outgoing current. So in the given circuit, directly we identify the value of I1 is equal to the 5 ampere. Then the value of I2 V1 upon 5. Then value of I3 V1 minus V2 divided by 2, because as a reference node is V1, then V1 is a positive potential and V2 is at negative potential. So the equation 5 is equal V1 upon 5 plus V1 minus V2 upon 2. Now we consider the direction of current at node V2. So in this case, again we consider outgoing direction in terms of I4, I5 and I6. So according to the law, the I4 plus I5 plus I6 is equal to 0. Now the value of I4 V2 minus V1 upon 2 plus V2 upon 5 and V2 minus 10 upon 1 is equal to 0. So now we consider equation number 1 and equation number 2. So the first one, I1 is equal to I2 plus I3, or the next one, I4 plus I5 plus I6 is equal to 0. Now we assess the given equation 0.7 V1 with respect to the equation 1, 0.7 V1 minus 0.5 V2 is equal to 5, or the next equation minus 5 minus 0.5 V1 plus 1.7 V2 is equal to 10. So now this one, equation 2, then this equation come from in the form of equation 3 and equation 4. So then after the calculation, the value of V1 is equal to 14.36 volt and the value of V2 is equal 10.104 volt. So with the help of V1 and V2, we also assess the value of I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6. So in this case, the value of V1 is equal 14.36 and V2 is equal 10.104. So for the example, if we want to identify the value of I1, so in this case, the I1 is equal already a 5 ampere, then I2 is equal V1 upon 5. So the value of V1 14.36 divided by 5. So this is the value of I2. So this is the basic concept of nodal analysis.